Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. Using day-old, chilled rice is key for that perfect fried rice texture, preventing it from becoming mushy. You will also need a selection of fresh vegetables, such as finely diced carrots, green peas, and colorful bell peppers. Don't forget your soy sauce, cooking oil, and any protein you wish to add like chicken or tofu. Now let's get everything ready for the pan. Begin by chopping all your chosen vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly. If you're including a protein like chicken or shrimp, cut it into bite-sized pieces and consider a quick marinade for extra flavor. Finally, whisk 2 large eggs in a small bowl and set them aside. These will add richness and texture to your fried rice. It's time to cook. Heat a large wok or a spacious pan over high heat with about 2 tablespoons of oil until it's shimmering. First, stir-fry your protein until it's cooked through, then add your prepared vegetables, cooking them until they are tender crisp. Next, push everything to one side, pour in the whisked eggs, and scramble them quickly. Finally, add the cooked rice and your sauces, tossing everything together vigorously to combine. Your homemade fried rice is now ready to enjoy. Garnish it with some freshly chopped green onions for a burst of color and extra flavor. Serve it immediately as a satisfying main course or as a delightful side dish to complement other Asian-inspired meals. It's a quick, versatile, and incredibly tasty dish that's perfect for any day. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.